President Aquino has vowed to sustain the economic growth achieved by his administration in 2012. According to the President, this is among the serious challenges to his administration in the remaining 3 years of his term. The Chief Executive spoke during the closing ceremony of the World Bank-sponsored Philippine Development Forum in Davao City. Vicky De Guzman.
President Benigno S. Aquino III graced the last day of the Philippines Development Forum in Davao City, wherein he was welcomed by the different government officials and other development partners. Department of Finance Secretary Cesar V. Purisima said that the PDF was held in Davao City because they want to emphasize Mindanao's potential in agriculture and tourism that has already been recognized. Meanwhile, Mr. Motoo Konishi, the co-chair of PDF and country director for Philippines World Bank, said the key reforms in the forum aligned with the 5 cabinet's clusters. Konishi mentioned about the points in the economic development cluster, which include the need to continue to improve the environment for the private sector to generate jobs, especially in agriculture and tourism. Meanwhile, he added that Philippines is no longer the sick man of East Asia, but the rising tiger of Asia.
Philippines is no longer the sick man of East Asia, but the rising tiger. There is macroeconomic stability and fiscal situation of the government is sound and improving. The fight against corruption is being waged with determination, and it is paying off. Transparency is improving everywhere in government.
President Aquino said that the PDF represents the best ideals of the public-private partnerships, and he also mentioned the progress in the Philippine economy. Apart from the 6.6% GDP growth of the country, the President have mentioned about the Department of Public Works and Highways savings of 12 billion pesos.
Favorite success stories is that of the Department of Public Works and Highways, once known to be a den of corruption. When we first met in February of 2011, I told you that the DPWH had already saved over 300 million pesos. Today, that number, I am told, has grown to over 12 billion pesos in savings, a result of conscientious and honest work.
Aquino also said that from the Bureau of Internal Revenue, it has collected over 1 trillion pesos last year.
This applies not only to our DPWH, but to other entities as well. From the Bureau of Internal Revenue, which collected over 1 billion pesos for the first time in history last year.
He also said that the Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino program, or the Conditional Cash Transfer Program budget for this year, is 4 times compared to the 2010 budget.
The Filipino people are our strongest competitive advantage, which is why we continue to invest heavily in them. The Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program, or Conditional Cash Transfer Program's budget for 2013 is more than 4 times what it received in 2010, from 10 billion pesos to this year's 44.3 billion pesos. This will help 3.8 million families. The past year also saw landmark achievements in healthcare and education, with the expansion of the PhilHealth program to provide healthcare coverage for the poorest of our people for diseases, breast cancer and childhood leukemia, as well as the launch of the K-12 program that will help bring Philippine education up to international standards.
President Aquino also said that because of the growth potential of Mindanao, its development has been a priority in his administration. For People's Television, Vicky De Guzman.